Alright, this is a little review on the Ozark Trail. It's a 2-burner, 2-in-1 tabletop grill and stove. There's some of the information so you can look at it. And there is another grill from Coleman, extremely similar to this one. There's 2 reasons why I chose this one though. So I chose the Ozark Trail, one because of the price. It's about $100. The Coleman is about $150 to $160 depending where you buy it. And then the other reason, here's the unit. This is what it looks like, all set up. So the other reason is the cooking material. So right here we got cast iron, America's favorite. Cast iron all the way around, heavy metal, good and healthy. So that was my main reason actually why I bought this one. On the Coleman, I believe it's aluminum with porcelain coat. So, you know, I don't want that on my food. If it's gonna chip off and maybe go on my food, it's a forever chemical or a forever material. I don't want to eat it. And right here, doesn't matter, you're gonna put a coffee pot or a pan. So, and this is a strong burner. Both are actually pretty strong. So here we go with this one. Look at that, nice and strong. Here goes the grill side. There we go, nice and hot right away. And I recommend this for some easy stuff like maybe some veggies, sausages, hot links, hot dogs. I wouldn't recommend it maybe for burgers or carne asada because it's really greasy stuff. It's gonna make a mess, and you know, this is just meant for some quick, easy meals. Nothing too fancy, nothing too extreme. Just easy to carry. It fits in the back of the SUV or your car or your truck. Easy to carry. So there you go. That's my short little review. Hope it helps somebody here.